Honorable Edgardo Piñambao, Vice Mayor and Lady. And of course, Honorable Arturo Hernandez and his sons and daughters, Mayor of our municipality. May I have the honor to introduce to you Senator Francis Pangilinan.
Dagang panundo sa ilalim ng Republika ng Pilipinas na aking tataguyod at ipagtatanggol ang Konstitusyon ng Pilipinas. Tunay na mananalig at tatalima ako rito. Nasusundin ko ang mga batas ng mga pasbalik o hangaring iwas. Kasihan nawa ng Diyos. Congratulations. And to our kabalens, maya paaba kay kayungan. Kanina, hinahanap si Sharon. Alayo ni Sharon at Suya, Maynila, maningan niyang anak.
Magserbisyo tapo kay na there are so many ways to serve and so much need that you must take care. But let me tell you now, there is no magic bullet. Instead, we will have to bite the bullet and face up the challenges ahead of us. We thank the previous administration of Mayor Edgar Flores for prioritizing road construction which serve us all with ease of travel. But more than new roads and infrastructures to be built in my administration, I intend to introduce major programs to bring help to the sick, literacy to the illiterates, and sustainable livelihood to the poor and hungry. We need now more than ever to break the dependence or roll-out mentality